So guys, today we'll be baking carrots and apple cake. Yeah, so guys, here in a bowl I have my carrots and then I have my apple. So I've washed them, cut them into small chunks, and then transfer into my blender. So now that I've transferred it into the blender, I'll be going in with some brown sugar and then white sugar, 2 eggs, and half a cup of vegetable oil. So now after adding the oil, I'll blend this to smooth. So now that I'm done blending, in another bowl I'll be going in with 1.5 cup of flour or purpose flour. So here I just added baking soda and baking powder. Now I added cinnamon, nutmeg and salt, and then I'll mix them well to combine. So now after mixing this, I'll be going in with my blended carrot and apple, and then I'll gently mix them together like this. So make sure you fold them in gently, do not overmix it. And once you are done with this, you transfer into your baking pan. So here I've lined my baking pan and I'm transferring this. So guys, this just takes 5-10 minutes and you are done. So once I'm done transferring, I'll put this in my oven to cook for 1 hour. And guys, after 1 hour, our carrots and apple cake is ready. This is guilt-free, this is so good, it's so delicious. Guys, what are you waiting for? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so to click the subscribe button. Follow me guys, so you can see more of my videos. Thank you guys. So once I'm done with this, and then I'll finish it up with my mango frosting. Enjoy guys. Bye and see you again in my next video. Bye guys.